A very good evening to all of you. I'm Aryan Goel with my colleague Anshu Gaurav. We hereby welcome you to all the inauguration ceremony of the biggest event that ECE Society is going to organize, which is Tech-A-Thon. So I would let you know the head of the department of is Mr. Solanki sir and the faculty advisor Mr. SS Tripathi sir. Just wanted to give a little info about both of them. First, I'm going to talk about the HOD, sir. He has a teaching experience of 18 years and has done research for 15 years and individually experiences 3 years. His industrial experience is engineered Gujarat technical tables and engineered die-cap power cables. So have written general and national journals and also wrote all the national and international proceedings. And his research areas is signal processing, audio, signal processing, instrumentation and automation, sensor and actuator, embedded system design, and mechatronics. And Sir has received his PhD in engineering and ME in electronics departments from BIT Mesra. Lastly, I want to talk about faculty advisor, Mr. SS Tripathi, sir. He is having 14 years of teaching experience at UG and PG level. He has published more than 20 research papers in international journals and conferences. He is the principal investigator of the project sponsored by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Sir have written many journals as like Mr. Solanki sir. He also wrote two book chapters which include the chapter Nanoelectronics and Other Circuits and Communication Theories. And he lastly wrote a chapter on fuzzy logic in last disease management. So now I would like to hand over to Anshu Gaurav. Here she would briefly explain about EC Society.
Good evening, everyone. This is Anshu Gaurav, and let me just brief you guys about ECE Society. We at ECE Society believe that electronics and communication is an instantaneous and illustratory contact that creates a sense of intimacy without the emotional investment that leads to close friendship. That's why EC Society conducts various workshops, both core and non core topics, including analog electronics, computer visions, and much more. So you'll be getting to explore about different topics that will enhance your knowledge. There are also various online quizzes where you can test all that you know and win prizes as well as certificates. Apart from all of this, we release informative content on various subjects based on the trending topics like semiconductor diode, operational amplifier, OPAM, of computation, microprocessor, nanotechnology, and much more. You can access these on our social media handles. Now, when it comes to career opportunities, it's hard to figure out what to do, what not to do, what's all good for you. I'm sure all of us have been there. There are many more interesting options out there about which many of us aren't even aware. So, to help you with that, we at EC Society conduct counseling sessions where we discuss about various career options, explore about different fields, and also organize webinars. On top of that, we have some seniors and industrialists who provide you guidance. EC Society promotes students to learn the nitty and gritty of electronics and communication. And for more about Tech-A-Thon, I would like to hand over to Aaron.
So let's now talk about the main event for what we are here, that is Tech-A-Thon. So EC Society and Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, is proud to present you the Tech-A-Thon, which will go from 4th September to 9th September, consist of all the vast number of rounds like quizzes, project submissions, and webinars. So this will be a 5-week online event, consist of webinars of distinguished personalities from ML, AI, or core embedded domains, quiz rounds, and accomplishment of exciting projects aiming to cultivate inspiring and creative ideas regarding electronics and technological fields. So basically, here we are going to concentrate on two domains, that is embedded system, which is core electronics, and machine learning, which is AI. And the sub events will be webinars, which will be on both the domains, embedded design and machine learning, and hackathon on theme based project, which is making and giving domains, and study material will be provided for the same, and certifications for each round clearance would be given, and obviously for the top three teams prizes will be given to the winners. So the participation criteria is team size of 1 to 3. Like you can register on the D2C platform, which has like registration fee of 0 or something, and you can make a team for 1 to 3 people. 3 is maximum, and the eligibility is for first, second, and third year students. So basically, Tech-A-Thon will be consisting of 4 rounds. So the first round would be online quiz. So the online quiz will take place on 5th September on D2C platform itself, and the shortlisted candidates will continue for the further rounds. So basically, here you need a little bit knowledge of the of electronics, which you have already done in first semester, and it will be consisting of questions from electronics, coding, and aptitude. And if it would be better if you revise all these things this first semester one, and after the clearance for at, after like all of those who clear the first round, they would be shortlisted and will be going to the round two, that is prototype submission. So here at the end of third week, all the participants need to submit a prototype of their project model for round two, which will be on 25th September. And we'll be providing all the study materials and preparation time, um, and all these shortlisted candidates will be added to the Discord server, so they can just ask their questions to the seniors or any EC society members, and they can solve their problems. And all the continuous guidance would be given. We hope we will clear all your doubts and all the problems you will face. All our members and seniors would be available, so you can freely contact us. Then we would finally come to round three, which will be like video submission of your project model. So this will be on 2nd and 3rd October. Candidate needs to submit or send a video of their project model, and based on the certain judgmental criteria, top 5 to 10 teams will be shortlisted. Also, like few of the selected videos will be posted on the social media handles with credits. So if you're if for the 5 to 10 teams, if your videos are good, it will be posted, and you can also reshare on your story as credits would be given. Then finally we would come to the round 4, which is like the final round, a live presentation interview round. So on 9th October, this will be held. The shortlisted teams will have to present their project idea in the form of PPT and simulation or live presentation in front of the defined jury panel for the final interview. Ample of time would be given for the preparation, and if there are any changes needed, we would all inform you. And you should try to enhance the projects whatever you have come to till round 3, and PPT should be made for that for the same, as the live presentation interview would go on. Then lastly, the top 3 winner teams in each field will be announced soon, and the event ends, and would be they would be given exciting prizes and certifications. And I would hand over to Anshu Gaurav. She would tell you what all prizes and certificates you will get.
Yeah, so let us first know what are the themes we are going to have for each domain. There are 6 themes under each domain. For the embedded system, we are going to have healthcare utilities, home automation, agriculture utilities, weather monitoring, security management, and smart devices. Under ML, we are going to have weather forecasting, price prediction, security or fraud detection, recognition system, healthcare, health and safety, and game and entertainment. And now let us know about the prizes which you all have been waiting for. For the first position, we are having prize worth of rupees 25K with certificate. And for the second position, we are having prize worth of rupees 22K with certificate. And the third prize is rupees 20K with certificate. All the other winners will get a chance for internship opportunities after screening the interview round. All the other participants will get a certificate and course coupon worth of rupees 2K on Udemy. And I would like to hand over to Aaron for the further informations.
Okay, lastly, I would like to know about our sponsors, which have uh, through that our Tech-A-Thon event has been successful. They have supported a lot. So the first sponsor is Blue Hill, that is the publication house partner. Herodi, which is our associate partner. Code Warriors, that is our education partner. Fox Miller, that is a certification partner in which through which you will all get your certificates. And so now I would like to hand over to the K18 seniors. Please, Harsh Malpani Bhaiya and Satyakar Bhaiya, please say some words. Thank you.
Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Hello, am I
हाँ
audible?
भैया।
Yes, please.
सत्याकर, you continue.
Okay.
Yes, please.
So I think you all have gone through the Tech-A-Thon very briefly, and Aryan and another one explained all those things very clearly. So I'd like to have some doubts inside that why is Tech-A-Thon that important and all things. So if you have such kind of doubts, then you can please tell us. Okay, so the first of thing I'd like to such machine learning embedded like Harsh Malpani is there, Shubhankar is there. Hello, Saurav Karmakar is there.
Yeah, is it okay?
Hello, I think there is some disturbance at his side. Let me continue. Like we have Shubhankar Panda. He's quite good at embedded systems and he had some nice projects on it. So I would like to call him for the elaboration on embedded side domain projects and all those things.
Yes,
Shubhankar.
sure. Yeah, thanks, Harsh. So, yeah, hello all. I'm Shubhankar. I'm from ECE K18 batch, and I'll be guiding you through what embedded systems are and how our Tech-A-Thon would, I guess, help you in exploring the field. So, just a brief overview on what I work on and where I'm working. So, I'm working in Microsoft Research at the moment, and as a research intern on a project called Dependable IoT. IoT is Internet of Things, which is a big part of embedded systems these days. And I'm working on one of the newly emerging technologies in the field of Internet of Things. So my project is in open source domain, and I've contributed to about 3 GitHub repositories under Microsoft's Azure and Azure Samples organization. So first, let's go over what embedded systems is, and I would go over what embedded systems at core means. So embedded system at a core level basically means a entire system that would use a specific hardware which generally consists of a microcontroller generally. And this can be visualized as control circuitry that would control everything related to this system. Then we would have a specialized software that would be running on that specialized hardware that we have. All of these would be combined to perform a particular task on a repeat. And this system should be able to read environment data using sensors and connect to various other devices using some communication protocols that we would be going through in this Tech-A-Thon. So I guess to anybody who is new to the field, all these things would be a genuine bouncer. And that was the same case when I was here 2 years ago. So here we would like to fill this gap using the event Tech-A-Thon. And I would like to mention one thing. 2 years ago, I started my embedded system journey with ECE SOC, and I hope that this workshop would be useful to you all, and you would be getting some great exposure in the field. So, yep, I think that would be everything. We all would be here anytime that you want. If you want to ask anything right now, or anytime after, all of your seniors would be there for you. And yep, so yeah, I guess take it away then.
Thank you, Shubhankar. So from the ML team, we have Saurav over here. He's also a quite good, he's very good at machine learning. So I would like to call him to give his views on machine learning project.
Hey, thanks Wes, for saying that, but I'm not that good. And welcome everyone. I'm Saurav Karmakar. I'm a campus ambassador from BIT Jaipur campus, and I'm also a K18 student. I'm currently working as a product manager at a B2B startup and a part-time researcher at a college called University of Illinois, working in the field of visual algorithms. So I know like these are very heavy terms, and there has been a lot of noise in ML, AI, and DL like these days, right? But what it is like, why do you hear them on a day-to-day basis, right? So coming on to answering the first question, like what is machine learning? So basically, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that helps mimic problem solving and decision making just like a human brain, right? But through a computer system. And machine learning is just a subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical tools or algorithms to understand and explore the data part. And deep learning is also a subset of like machine learning, to which totally skips the analyzing part. You just uses ANN and CNN just like that, but we are focusing on machine learning currently. So but you might think like, yeah, why it is important. So in the recent year, like in the last 10 years, we have seen a jump and collection of data like in an exponential way. Like it's being predicted ki, by 2025 there will be a like billion trillion zettabytes, like the number with zettabytes, right? From collecting from your IoT devices, from your browsing histories, and like many other ways, right? So why it's now trending? Just because earlier we didn't have high computation, right? Like machine learning have been explored from like 1970s, 60s, but there wasn't very good high computation back then. So like while many machine learning algorithms have been around for a long time, the ability to automatically apply complex mathematical techniques and calculation over data is now like in over and faster is now present in the recent development. Like after like let's say 2013 there has been a boom. But like if you might think, it's quite hard to think of any activity which can be done without the use of machine learning or AI in general, because machine learning has so wide range of applications, and its incredible ability to adapt and solve complex problem efficiently and effectively and very quickly without human intervention. So that's why like ML is been trending. You can see like there are a lot of self-driving cars and like let's say Tesla and all, which everyone is familiar, right? So like machine learning is the future, but yeah, like, so there are many fields to choose from. And just like Shubhankar told, I like about his journey, I was same, like I explored machine learning in second year. What is, I went on the research path and understand ki kaisa kya hota hai. But don't worry, we are here for you to help you out. And definitely it might be like little overwhelming, but we all are here to help you. So yeah, that's about me, Harsh.
Thank you, Saurav. And now I would like to ask anyone from K18, Ifam, Rishi, Sanidhya, if you have some points to add in any of the domains. Sanidhya.
Yeah. So my colleagues have pretty well explained what they will be doing and how they will be
Sanidhya,
guiding.
1 minute. Sanidhya, 1 minute. First of all, I would like to introduce like Sanidhya is one of the participants of E-Yantra. You must all might be knowing about it, and he was in the top finalist. So, and he's like campus ambassador from E-Yantra as well. So he's also quite good at embedded systems. So you can use his talent as well in your this 5 week journey. So listen to him very carefully. That's all I want to say. Sanidhya.
Yeah, thank you, Harsh, for the introduction. Is there any kind of disturbance from my side, because I can feel? Anyone just clarify? Is there any
Yeah,
disturbance?
I guess we can hear you, dog, but it's all right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can.
That's fine then. Thank you. So yeah, so firstly, guys, just don't leave the meeting. Yeah, we are sharing our experience not only for our benefit, but just you will be thinking like we are showing off our like experience, like what we have gained till now. But not, that's not the thing we are trying to deliver to you. The main aim is to the main aim is to just help you guys to see what the different domains are will be providing you in the future if you are pursuing that domain. And my colleagues have pretty well explained what each domain is. And yeah, we have Rishi Jain also. He is in core, but yeah, he will be guiding you. So Rishi, would you like to add some points?
Rishi. This is me. So
Hello.
yes, Rishi.
Hamalpan.
Uh, so I'll just introduce Rishi Jain. He is one of the students who got placed in Synopsis this year in on campus placement, and he's quite good at core electronics thing. So here is Rishi Jain.
First of all, good evening to everyone. I am Rishi, and as Malpani described me, and I got placed in Synopsis. I am very much interested in core, and if anyone from you are having any doubt in core related issues, you can consult to me. Anything, any topic, whatever you may concern, feel free to ask. That's all.
Okay, so Ifam is there, I guess. Ifam. So there are other K18s as well who are placed in like good companies, Microsoft, Atlassian, Paytm. So you all can utilize our time, like we are a bit free nowadays. So you all can utilize our knowledge or our experience so that you can do as well in all those domains. And from K18 side, I would like to give you all the best, say you all the best for the event, and just enjoy this event. I would like to say it there. That's it. Manshu.
या hey guys, अगर किसी को कोई डाउट या कोई भी क्वेरी है अबाउट द इवेंट, सो you can put it in the chat box. Any query about price, themes, or how to proceed or anything. If you have any query, please put it in the chat box. Okay, I think it is pretty much clear for all uh, about the event. See, the event registration is still open till tomorrow, 12 p.m. So you can register till now also. And further more information about quiz that you have, the people who have already registered can uh, people who have already registered. We will be having quiz tomorrow. And next, I would like to hand over to Anshu to say a few words, and we will end.
So that's all for today, I guess. Thank you to every participant for joining us. Make sure to participate in tomorrow's online quiz and on D2C platform. Only the team leaders will be getting the question paper via mail, and the shortlisted teams would be informed through their email IDs, which you have registered through. And the study materials and any doubt solving sessions would be conducted on our Discord server. That's all for today, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Anshu, just a second. Yes, Harshpya.
So we have our faculty advisor, so SS Tripathi sir over here. So as we have already introduced him to all of you guys, so sir, if you like to say some word about for the event or on EC Society. Hello, hello.
Yes, Bhaiya, you are audible.
So hello, sir.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, you are.
How many participants are there?
So around we have got registrations around 196, I guess, Manchu.
Okay.
Yes, Bhaiya, around 220 registrations.
Okay. So, what will be the mode? Just brief me for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Himanshu, would you like to brief?
Yes, Bhaiya. Sir, it's a 5 week long event where we are having two major domains in which students will be participating. The domains are basically machine learning, and the another domain is embedded systems. So in this whole event, there are four rounds. Like the first round, there is quiz for to shortlist teams. Then in further rounds, they will be like we will be providing some study materials for them to start with, so that they can make like a very good project till the end of this event. And by the
What
end
is
of
the
this,
platform you are using? Means the
sir,
students
for
will use
yes,
for
sir,
machine learning.
for machine learning, Surana. Uh,
Just
Hello.
I
Yes,
want to
sir.
know the platform. Is it Python or what?
Yes, sir. We will be working on Python only, Python programming language.
Okay. Okay, then from my side, let me tell you, this will be a very interesting experience for you students because this most of the project you will see in UG or PG level. Now everywhere this machine learning is going to come, and this embedded system is going to come. So you will definitely learn a lot of things from here, and try to execute something, right? And even the given database, a lot of databases are given in this. You can get it freely downloadable from this, and you can try something, and do not rely upon the like only VGG 16 or those standard CNN programs where you have to explore that. I want you to know the inside of the what is happening in the network. Do not only you are the like you are not do not use this as a user, right? You try to be a developer. That will be my message to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those words, and I think it will really help all the participants to learn more through this event.
And it will be
Himanshu,
definitely a good learning experience for you people. Uh, so thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you
Himanshu,
very much, sir.
there are some
Yeah, there are
queries as
some
well.
queries in the chat box. I will just resolve them. See, Shashank Shekhar has asked that how can we contact if we want any guidance. So yeah, we will be giving you our Discord channel link via email to all the shortlisted teams after the online quiz. So there you can easily contact with us. There will be a forum where you can put your questions about in whichever domain you are, and we will be solving them. Um and the next question is, in tomorrow's first quiz, if yeah, only the team leader can give the quiz, is allowed to give the quiz. Kumar Kush, there will be Discord channel. Okay. And
I will announce one more thing here from our department side. Soon we are going to have a contest kind of thing in which you have to design. Let me tell you one introduction of that. You have to design a CRO which you can use your mobile phone. By using your mobile phone, you have to show the signals we are reading, because you know you are electronics people where we want to see the signals, right? And in that we are going to launch a program in which hardware, both hardware and the software applications will be there, in which you will be designing the CRO using your mobile phone and some additional circuitry. Thank you.
thank you very much, sir. And if there are any more queries, you can still put it in the chat. Aryan has just posted the themes for both the domains also, so you can check from there. I think more or less everyone's query is solved, and later on we will be informing everything through mails also. So stay tuned, and on our social media channels also on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. There also will be posting everything. So thank you so much for everyone for joining, and all the best
Yeah,
for the
I have
quiz.
a question.
Yeah.
So, Aryan just messaged in the in Meet chat the list of topics that we can work on. So the idea I'm working on is a little different from these. So how does that affect my participation or anything? Do I is it very like is it a compulsion that I have to choose among these topics, or can I work on something else within the same domain?
Which project are you working on? Which
So
topic?
it's ML, right? So it's not related. It's the application is not based on the topics mentioned, but it's something else.
Okay, see, these are sort of compulsions for you to be inside these themes only. But we'll see if after online quiz, if you get qualified, then if we can arrange your the project you are making in some field, then we'll help you out with that.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. You may leave now.
Thank
Sir,
you, Bhaiya.
1 minute. I'd like to thank SS Patil sir as well for giving his uh, like motivation to all the students and all the participants.
I will be always with you people, anytime, anywhere, right? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So, should we conclude now? Yes. So let's conclude, Himanshu.
Okay, I think everything pretty much is clear by from everyone. So everyone may leave now. Thank you all for joining.